tell you something. Imagine walking into the office tomorrow and realizing half your tasks vanished. Your boss is secretly testing an AI to do your job. And the crazy part? This is already happening in the companies you know. IBM, Google, Accenture, Amazon. Today, we are exposing the exact experiments bosses are running behind the scenes. And I'll tell you how to stay one step ahead. Buckle up, this one is really spicy. You know what's wild? A 2025 survey found 95% of managers have adopted AI tools at work, but only 46% told their employees about it. The rest? Quiet testing, secret trials, shadow automation projects. Bosses call it efficiency experiments. Employees call it, why does this bot know my job better than me? And companies love it. AI doesn't ask for raises. AI doesn't take vacations. AI doesn't complain about the coffee machine being broken. So your boss is thinking, can AI do 20% of this role? If yes, could it do 40%? If yes, do we really need full human? And the answer increasingly is maybe not. Let's talk about the company that didn't even try to hide it. IBM. Their CEO literally went on record saying, we will pause hiring for roles that AI can replace. That's 7,800 jobs. Not my words, his. Then we found out IBM already secretly deployed an internal AI called Ask HR that now handles onboarding, payroll questions, policy explanations, time off requests, benefits inquiries. It handles 94% of all HR tickets. And guess what? IBM quietly eliminated 200 HR roles once the AI proved it could handle the workload. This wasn't a public announcement. It leaked only after internal employees noticed their team shrinking. Imagine being replaced by a bot that literally calls itself Ask HR. Oh my, the disrespect. Next up, Google. In 2023, Google laid off 12,000 employees. At the same time, a leaked internal document revealed a secret AI project with a very innocent name, Project Pitchfork. Its goal? Teach AI to write and maintain code on its own. So we don't need to hire as many engineers. This wasn't in a press release. This was a leaked memo. Google wanted AI that doesn't just complete code but understands your code base, updates it, patches it, improves it. Also known as an AI software engineer. Why hire 100 coders when 10 coders plus AI tool can deliver the same? That's the scary math companies are doing right now. And remember, Google isn't a random company. If Google is trying to automate software engineers, your startup absolutely is. Accenture's AI restructuring, aka Learn AI or Get Out. 2023 to 2025, they quietly cut over 19,000 employees. Not due to recession, not due to low demand, due to AI restructuring. Their CEO said it calmly on an earnings call. We will use AI to improve margins. People need new skills or they'll transition out. Transition out is corporate language for your time's up. Accenture then invested $3 billion into AI tools. They even told thousands of employees, learn AI or you won't be relevant in this company. Imagine going to work knowing the software you're learning might be what replaces your team. Spicy times. Amazon, where AI literally fires people. Amazon has been using automated systems to manage warehouse workers for years. Here's the jaw dropper. One warehouse had 300 plus workers fired by algorithm in a single year. Time off task is monitored by AI down to the minute. If the AI flags you as slow, you get an automated warning. Too many warnings? You're done. No manager needed. Amazon's AI decides who works faster, who works slower, who gets written up, who gets fired. Imagine being fired by a bot that doesn't even know your name. Now take that energy and imagine it coming to office jobs, because it is. British Telecom didn't sugarcoat anything. Their CEO said, by 2030, we will cut 55,000 jobs. 10,000 will be replaced by AI and automation. This includes call center staff, network technicians, back office roles. And they're not the only telco doing this. A lot of European telecoms are testing AI for network diagnostics and customer support. If you work in support, service, help desk, basic IT, you're on the front line of the AI replacement wave. Here's how to tell if your boss is preparing to use AI to do your job. You're suddenly told to document everything. They're creating an AI training index of your role. This is one. A pilot tool quietly appears in your workflow. Nobody explains why, but your tasks start disappearing. This is another. They stop hiring people for your team, but work still gets done. Guess who's doing it? Yup, that's the bot. New performance dashboards appear, and the metrics suddenly look inhuman because AI performance is the benchmark. Leadership starts using strange phrases: efficiency, lean operations, automation opportunities, digital workforce. This is corporate code for AI is coming for someone, maybe you. Okay, here's the part they won't tell you. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces people who didn't use AI. Here's how to stay safe. Become the AI power user in your team. Learn ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, Midjourney, automation tools like Zapier, Notion AI, and UiPath. Be the person who knows the AI tools better than your boss. Shift from doer to owner. AI is great at tasks, but not at planning, critical thinking, architecture, decision making, client communication, and leadership. Move up the value chain. That's how you can gain an advantage. Build a new skill stack. Combine 2 to 3 fields: AI plus design, AI plus software, AI plus finance, AI plus marketing, AI plus project management. Who knows? Hybrid skills are very hard to automate. Never be invisible. Network with people. Network with real people. Document wins. Lead projects. Visibility saves careers. Here's the reality. Your boss is testing AI. Your company is looking for automation. Your job is under evaluation. This is the real fact. This is the real truth that we should all realize. But the winners in this new era aren't the ones who fear AI. No, we shouldn't fear AI. It's the ones who master it. Don't be the employee AI replaces. Be the employee who uses AI to become unstoppable. Hit subscribe, smash the like button, and stay ahead of the next wave with Tech Central. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.